In this question, we need to find inverse of P matrix. For a 2 into 2 matrix, inverse formula is 1 by AD minus BC, which is multiplied by matrix D minus B minus C A. Now putting these values, 1 by 4 minus 3i into 4 plus 3i minus I into minus I multiplied by D, which is 4 plus 3i, minus B, which is minus I, minus C, which is plus I, then 4 minus 3i. Now computing the denominator, 1 by 4 square minus 3i square minus of minus plus I square, 4 plus 3i minus I, 4 minus 3i. Here we have in denominator 4 square, I square is minus 1, so plus 3 square, I square is minus 1, so minus 1. Now we can replace this denominator by 25 minus 1, which is 24. So we get the answer as 1 by 24 into matrix 4 by 3i minus I, 4 minus 3i. So answer is C. In this question, we need to find the determinant of matrix A. For that, we need to multiply both these matrices. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of matrix 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, minus 4 into 1 minus 4, minus 4 into 9 minus 36, minus 4 into 5 minus 20, 7 into 1 7, 7 9s are 63, 7 5s are 35. We know a property that if a row is multiplied by a scalar, then the determinant of the matrix is multiplied by the scalar. By using this property, let us take the common 2 minus 7. Now we get the matrix as 1 9 5, 1 9 5, 1 9 5. Now in the resultant matrix, we see that all the 3 rows are proportional to each other. We know the property that if any 2 rows in the matrix are proportional to each other, then the determinant is equal to 0. So the determinant is going to be 0. In this question, given the determinant of this matrix as minus 12, the determinant of this matrix is, we observe that difference between both these matrices is that each row is multiplied by 2. We know a property that if a row is multiplied by scalar k, then the determinant is multiplied by k. In this question, all 3 rows are multiplied by 2, so determinant is going to be multiplied by 2 3 times, so 2 cube into determinant of this matrix, which is minus 12, so 8 into minus 12, which is equal to minus 96. So the answer is minus 96. In this question, we need to find determinant of this lower triangular matrix. So we find the determinant using first row, which is 1 into determinant of this matrix, which is again 1 into determinant of this matrix, which is 1 into 1 minus 300 into 0 0. So the resultant determinant we get is 1. The answer is C.